Hi, Tim Blanchard here with Divorce661.com. Today I want to talk to you about default cases specifically, meaning the other party is not going to participate and you have assets or debts that need to be divided. So normally when we file a divorce case that's going to be amicable, we don't list property on the petition itself, the community property and separate property. We just leave that blank and say to be amended. If it's going to be amicable. But if your case is going to be a default case and you know it's going to be a default where the other party is not participating, then you need to list the property not only on the petition, but you're going to want to attach the property declarations, the FL 160s. And I'll tell you why. If you try and do a default case where you don't put the property on the petition and itemize it on an FL 160 and break it down as far as who's keeping what and making it a fair division of assets and debts, your case will be rejected. You cannot submit a petition, have it served that doesn't list property, and then ask the court to enter a default on property after there's been no response. The idea being the only reason that they would respond is if there was a disagreement to your petition. That's the theory behind the response. And why they can only confirm to you property listed on the petition in a default, because the assumption is the other party is only aware of what you've disclosed. So it happens to us once in a while where we'll think the case will be amicable. We'll do it the normal way where we say to be amended on the property and have that person served, and then the client will say, oh, Tim, they're not going to participate, they're uncooperative. So we have to amend the petition and then include all the property. So I try and find out from my clients if it's going to be a default case up front, then we're going to go ahead and list all the assets and debts so we don't have to amend the petition later and then reserve it. It's kind of a waste of time. So I hope that helps. If you have property and it's going to be a default case, make sure you get it on the petition and include an FL 160, the property declarations, and have that served with your petition all at the same time. Tim Blankenship, Divorce661.com. Please give us a call if you have any questions, and we'll talk to you soon.